guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna be trying to do like a part 2 of straightening my hair. I just felt like straightening my hair again, y'all, because the first time I straightened it, I just felt like it wasn't like super bone straight. So I'm just trying again. So, you know, take 2 of praying that my hair does not fall out. But I feel like I've already taught you guys how to do wash and goes and any other natural hairstyle. So now I'm like wanting to show you guys how to do straight hair and still come out with no heat damage, but have like the sleekest look. So I feel like I'm on another journey now. Not saying I'm about to damage my hair or anything, but I want to learn how to do this right. So far I have bonded my hair. So I have used some type of bonding treatment. I used the Olaplex number 3, which repairs and strengthens all hair types. You can use it every wash day if you would like, but it's very expensive. However, it's nice to bring the strength back to your strands before you go putting heat to it and harming them just a little bit. I've shampooed and conditioned. I did went ahead and spray like a little light leave-in conditioner, and I've blown out my hair. Now, when you are blowing out your hair, I've realized you want to get your hair as straight as you can in the blow dry process. So this time I'm really making sure that I really blow my hair out. So I've blown it out pretty straight. I'm just gonna continue to blow it out. Now, I've been using my Dyson dryer with the comb attachment on it. But I've also been using my Denman brush because it's kind of nice to grip the hair like with this. So I'll start by doing the comb attachment because it's just easier to start with the comb attachment, and I do that on the medium heat setting, and then I crank it up to the highest heat setting, pop on this bad boy onto my thing, and then go in with the Denman brush on the high speed or the high heat setting so that I can just give it a nice polished finished look. So that's what I've been doing. I only have one more section left to blow dry, and then we're gonna get to straightening. As y'all can see, curls are intact, perfect, ain't nothing hanging and dangling. I'm gonna just continue to blow it out. My hair is all blown out. I actually went downstairs and got me something to drink because it was hot up here while my hair just was cooling down. And so now my hair is all blown out. It isn't as straight as it was, but it's still kind of straight. So I'm just gonna brush it out. So this is what we're looking like, all blown out. This is how far the blowout goes on me without me stretching it. All right, y'all, so I am going to start at the back and work my way up, and I'm just gonna take the smallest size because I want this to be super duper straight. I have my flat iron on 450, y'all, because I have learned a few tips to flat ironing your hair. This is just some tips I learned over the past few weeks. Cause y'all know I haven't straightened my hair in like 6 years. I haven't been like doing it, perfecting it, knowing how to do it with like super healthy hair and then like that. I've been trying to learn. So the first thing is, you guys know I've always been telling you don't blow dry or straighten on super oily hair with a lot of product on, because you don't want to weigh it down. But when it comes to straightening, I didn't know much. So a lot of people don't know whether to get a ceramic or a tourmaline, I think that's how you say it. They don't know which one to get. Now this one says it has both. It's both, as you can see, it has ceramic and the tourmaline. I don't know how you say that. How do you say that? So ceramic, they say it heats up from the outside in, and then like tourmaline, I need to see how to pronounce that, y'all. I know y'all probably like, girl, say the thing right. So if you're using tourmaline, apparently it gets hot from the inside out, and they say ceramic is better for like type 4 hair, but then some people say tourmaline. I don't know, okay, but this one says both. I go with this, and this is a Lanxim flat iron. I don't think they sell it anymore, guys, but I really used to like Babyliss Pro. If you have one of those, that used to be my bae. That one really got my hair straight. But anyway, I'm just gonna use a heat protectant, and we're just gonna flat iron. Now this video is not about products, so don't worry about what I'm using, Fren. It's all about that technique. So you can use a comb or a brush. This is a rat tail comb. You can use this for the chasing method. You can use a hard bristle brush for the chasing method. I may do a combination between this tangle teaser right here that has like these little bristles and these longer bristles, because I feel like it really grips and I really want tension on each section that I straighten. And another thing that I learned, y'all, is to put it on the highest heat setting. However, go really slow, don't go really fast, and do one pass. If you go slow and really clamp it down, like clamp it, like don't be scared, don't be doing all that. No, clamp that thing down and pull. You want tension, you want to pull, and you want it to be flat and hot so you don't have to go through it anymore. So that's not what I did last time. I felt like I definitely did not slow down when I was straightening my hair. I was really quick with it. So let's just try this way out, y'all, because I've been seeing so many different tips and that was like the biggest thing. Now that's a nice first pass, buddy. That's nice and straight. Then I'm just gonna do one more. Now, yes, now that's giving me flow. It's giving me nice. So I'm just gonna basically do this same method, making sure I'm clamping down. I'm using it on the highest heat setting. And I'm chasing. And make sure you're giving that heat protectant it's worth. So y'all see when I slowed it down, gave me better results on the first swipe. In all honesty, I don't think I need to go in again. Let's just do one pass, y'all, but go really slow. And make sure you're really getting those roots too. am done straightening my hair. All I did was one pass and I was really slow with it. I mean, y'all kind of saw. I was really slow and took my time, and look how silky it is now. So it is so silky. We are right here, friend, whatever that is. Now I am gonna go back in and curl the ends. I haven't curled my ends. I did trim just a tiny tad bit. I do want to go back in and curl it. However, I do want to go ahead and wrap it first because I want it to just mold first. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it, and I'm wrapping it with my Denman brush, but I'm gonna switch out to my bigger like paddle brush. But I just want to make sure this is nice and tight to the roots. Because I just don't want to go back in with my curling iron while my hair is still warm. I want my hair to be completely cooled before I go back in and try to curl or anything. All right, y'all, so I have wrapped my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and tie it up, and I'll come back a little bit later to put some curls in it. I wrapped my hair and I put this cap on. This is just a regular wig cap that I put on, and I just kind of like went like this so to seal the deal. So now I'm just trying to take it off. It's time to calm it down. I do plan on putting flexi rods in this bad boy. It is very, very straight. Oh, I love this so much. And my hair feels so healthy. I'm gonna show y'all the length before I go curling it and stuff. It really feels good to have that comb just like really get to my scalp, you know. This is it from the back. It'll look cuter if it was curled. So I'm gonna curl it. All right, y'all, so I've already parted off my hair and I have this turned up to like 30 and a half. I don't know the temperature. This is a new curling iron that I just got. I literally just opened it, so I don't know much about it. I didn't want to curl with my flat iron because it's just a little thick. I like a 1 inch if I'm gonna do the curls. So I just decided to go with the barrel. I'm gonna just do them nice and big, and I'm gonna go in the direction that my hair grows, and we are gonna spray some heat protectant before that. Oh my God, I haven't used one of these in forever. Oh my gosh. Just a quick bump. 1, 2, 3, 4, let it go. I'm really just trying to get some heat on this hair so that we can go ahead and do it, and then we can go ahead and wrap it again. I really should have just went ahead and put these curls in immediately. I was just being a little hard-headed. All right, you guys, so I bumped the ends. I really just ran through them because I'm about to just wrap the hair back up again. So this is what it looks like. I love my bang. I love a good bang with some layers in it, okay? I love how straight this came out, and this is with 1 pass, as opposed to if I use it on 430, I always have to go through 2 passes, but with 450, 1 pass, go down the barrel very slowly. All of those tips really, really worked out, and I love, love, love the results that I got from this. I think I've pretty much succeeded in learning how to straighten my hair the way I like, so we're good there. I don't think I'll be straightening it anymore. For those of you who are like, Kim, please stop straightening your hair, you might get damaged. I know. It's okay. We're gonna pray on it and we're gonna be okay, okay? But it was only 1 pass. I used all of my heat protectant stuff, so we should be good. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.